Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to crochet the flower tic tac clips. So let's start the tutorial. We are going to start by crocheting a magic ring. To make a magic ring, wrap the yarn around your two fingers in this way. Then insert the hook below the first loop, pull the second loop and twist it. Hold it like this and yarn over and make one chain. We are going to make one more chain. And now into the ring we are going to make 2 double crochets. To make a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. We'll make one more double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Then make 2 chains. And then we're going to make a slip stitch into the ring. Make 2 more chains. Then 2 double crochets into the ring. Then make 2 chains and then make a slip stitch into the ring. And we are going to repeat the same steps and make total 5 petals. Once we're done with 5 petals, then we're going to pull the short end and close the ring. We're going to pull it very tightly and we're going to cut the extra yarn. And now we are going to hide in the loose ends. So we'll take the yarning needle and on the back side of the flower we're going to hide this first end. And here we're going to cut the extra yarn and then we'll hide the another end. Then we'll cut the extra yarn. Here we're done with the flower. Now we're going to take the clip and we're going to apply some glue on the top. And then we're going to place the flower on it and press it. And we're done with the tutorial. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.